KOKO In Naija, like we do it. We're on the street again, taking it to the street to ask people what they feel about certain things that have been happening in the Nigerian polity. You know, this is where we give you all of the trendy political basketballs in the country and how get opinions of people and what they tend to want to say about Nigerian politics. We are drawing closer to the 2023 elections. People are declaring their intentions to want to run, president, vice president. We have them. We have people from the APC, PDP, SDP all declaring what they want to do and what they want to achieve for the country and run for different political positions in the country. My name is Nosal Keltins. Yeah, we're on the street again and we're getting people's opinion. Nigerians need to talk what they feel about the current situation in the country and also what they want to say, those who they prefer to rule them for the next 4 to 8 years. Join me while I speak with them. You know, it's the election year and election is getting closer. So in PDP, we know we have some people have declared they want to run for presidency come next year. There's Atiku, there's Governor Wike of Rivers State, there's former Senate Amechi is in APC, on PDP I mean. So those are in on PDP I'm asking for. So Saraki, Bala Mohammed, Tambuwal, and Peter Obi. Yeah. Of all of these people, who would you prefer to run the flag to? You know, yes, for PDP. Who would you prefer? Dele Momodu, Atiku, Saraki, Bala Mohammed, Tambuwal, Peter Obi.
Maybe Peter Obi will have been the best option.
So if you think Peter Obi is the best option for you, who would you want to see him go up against in APC? A face-off, a face-to-face, maybe a debate. Who do you think he should go up against in APC?
Currently I saw that Oshibajo is also contesting for APC president. I would have preferred he goes one-on-one with Oshibajo.
So you want him Peter Obi versus Oshibajo?
Oshibajo.
So we know definitely it is election year. We're drawing closer to election. Yeah. So as we're drawing closer to election, we know there are two major parties in the country, the PDP and the APC. On the PDP platform, we have like 7 people who have come out to declare their intentions to run for presidency. Yes. And those that have declared their intention in the PDP are, let me just give you their name and who you think should become the PDP flag bearer of those 7 people. So we have Governor Wike of Rivers State, we have Aminu Tambuwal of Sokoto State, we have Bala Mohammed of Bauchi State, Bukola Saraki, former Senate President, we have Atiku Abubakar, and then Peter Obi. Now, of all of these people we've mentioned, who do you want to emerge as the flag bearer of the PDP, and who do you want him to go up against in the APC?
I think if you look what is happening in PDP now, you see that zoning is really causing a lot of problem now. The Southeast has not ruled the Nigeria since independent, even before independent. So I think they deserve the chance. We are all Nigerians, both minority or majority. Everybody deserves to rule Nigeria, especially the minority. Because if we have given the majority the chances to rule Nigeria, they have not done anything.
So who would you want from the PDP?
If I should pick anybody as a citizen of the Nigeria, I will pick maybe Okorocha because of his foundation in terms of education.
But I said PDP, not APC.
Yes.
Okorocha is in
APC. Okay, yes. Yeah. In terms of PDP,
the names I mentioned, Wike, Tambuwal, Bala Mohammed, Saraki, Peter Obi, Atiku, Ayatudin.
Man, I don't have any choice among these people.
You don't have any choice among them?
I don't have any choice among these people.
You don't think any of those people
they are not capable.
They're not capable?
It's where those ones who have been in Senate before. Saraki has been in the Senate before. Atiku was our former president. So they have not contributed anything tangibly.
So what about in the APC? Who is that person that you'd want in the APC?
Even the APC. But the only person I'm rooting for now, for me, I could have preferred a young candidate. But it will be very, very difficult for the person to emerge.
Grinding closer to the election period. Election is drawing close, and I'm pretty sure you know the 2 major parties in the country, and there are people who have come out on each platform to declare. Well, on the PDP platform, we have like 7 people who have declared. Very good. Who of those people would you want to be their flag bearer, and let me give you their names just in case. Governor Wike of Rivers State, Aminu Tambuwal of Sokoto State, Bala Mohammed of Bauchi State, Peter Obi, former governor of Anambra State, and Atiku Abubakar, then Dele Muhammadu. Of all of these people, who would you want to be the flag bearer of that? Who would you want to the PDP to emerge as the PDP flag bearer?
I prefer Peter Obi.
Peter Obi.
Yeah, based on what he has done for Anambra State when he was a governor in the state, I would think he would be the right person to move the country to a better place.
Okay, but for you want him to be the flag bearer for PDP, who would you want him to go up against in APC?
That should be Tinubu.
You want him to go up against Tinubu? Do you think him against Tinubu he would win?
Definitely, he should.
He should.
Yes.
Some people have come out to declare on the platform of the PDP. Say we know Wike, Atiku, Saraki, Tambuwal, Bala, and Peter Obi. Of all of these people, who would you want to be the flag bearer for the PDP?
Mention their name again.
Governor Wike of Rivers State, Bala Mohammed of Bauchi, Aminu Tambuwal of Sokoto State, Peter Obi, former governor of Anambra State, Atiku Abubakar, former vice president. Ayatudin, a banker, Bukola Saraki, former Senate president.
Peter Obi.
Peter Obi, all the way.
Yeah, all the way.
All the way.
Yes, all the way.
So who would you want him to face off against in the APC?
That one I don't know.
You don't know anyone on the APC?
APC, okay. Tinubu is in the APC side.
With Oshibajo, Yaya Bello, Amechi.
In fact, you should face all of them. They should all step down.
All of them?
All of them step down.
An election year is drawing really close. The elections will be starting, we're already even in the electioneering period. On the PDP, we know some people have declared that they want to run for president. Who of those people that have declared on the PDP platform would you want to be the PDP flag bearer? Do you know them or should I give you their names?
Okay, please give me their names.
All right, we know of Wike, Governor Wike of Rivers State. We know of Governor Bala. Yes, Wike of Rivers State. Also Bala Mohammed of Bauchi State. Aminu Tambuwal of Sokoto State. We know of Bukola Saraki, former Senate President. Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi. Who of these people? I
would vouch for Nyesom Wike because he's actually doing well in Rivers State. Rivers State is, to me, with what I see, with what I hear, Rivers State is blooming. It's okay. I prefer him because he's a man of his words. With what I see, he does what he says. He puts action to whatever
he says he wants to do.
Yes.
So you'll pick Nyesom Wike.
I'll pick him.
Who would you want Wike to face off against in the APC?
I'm hearing rumors that Atiku wants to go for president.
Atiku is in PDP. So in the APC, those are in the APC. Should I give you their names?
No, sorry. The former governor of Lagos State, that's Jagaban.
Jagaban?
Yeah, Jagaban of Lagos State. What's his name again?
Tinubu,
yeah.
So you would want Wike to go up against Tinubu. Do you think Wike would win or Tinubu would win?
I can't say. Jagaban. God. That man. God help us. So, I don't know. I think Nyesom will win, but if they don't rig the election, if it is free and fair, I think Nyesom should win. Because he really did well in Rivers and he's doing well. He's still the governor, yeah? Okay, so I think he should win. Nyesom will
we did speak with some Nigerians on the streets of Lagos. Different people giving different opinions on who they want. On some of our questions, we did ask them who they want to come out to emerge as the flag bearer for the PDP, and quite a number of them did pick Peter Obi, since Peter Obi has quite a popularity among the youth, and not quite a lot of people do not want people that are too old, say over 70, like category for former Vice President Atiku Abubakar do fall in. So it seems interesting to listen to them to talk, and some of them have given their opinions. Some people don't want overaged. Some people are saying who they want to emerge from the PDP, and it was lovely getting their opinions, certainly their opinions. My name is Nosa Okeotins. This is the KOKO In Nigeria.